Good morning, children. So here we can start today's class, and we are going to start a new chapter, that is the lesson 4, floats, sinks and mixes. That is the name of the chapter, lesson 4, floats, sinks and mixes. In this chapter, we can learn by doing activities, learning by doing. We can learn. Okay, learning by doing. That is why I told you to arrange some water, salt, sugar, spoon, glass, like these silly things for doing the activity. Okay, so as you are in 5th standard, you will be able to make a lemon juice, isn't it? Or be able to make a tea, like that and all. So, or some other type of juices. So this all you are doing, you are making it delicious, but you don't know the theory, scientific theory behind it, isn't it? You don't know the scientific theory behind it. So today, by learning this chapter, you can understand what is the science that it is behind in our daily life. What is the science that helps us to do our work in our daily life? Okay, these all things, where the salt, sugar, water, these all things we use in our daily life, isn't it? So by doing these experiments, you can understand the concept, science concept properly, and you can apply it in your daily life. So here we can start this experiment. Okay, so take that glass, plain glass, put half of the, fill the glass with a half of that water, fill the glass to half. Okay, take the glass, children, take the glass, put the water up to half of that one. See, Muhammad Akil, I am going to pin him. Okay, Muhammad Akil, yes, see, very good. He took the glass, he filled that glass half with water. Yes, okay, it is okay, okay. So children, see that and understand and do it. Ashwin is eating that all sugar. Will you keep any sugar for doing experiment? I don't think. Okay, so so next, okay, I hope everybody did this step. Let me Akil, let me remove it. Okay, let me see that. So I hope everybody did up to that step, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so Akil, take the salt. If you kept only 1 spoon, put the half of the spoon of salt. Half. Okay, you took so much. Okay, 1 spoon. Okay, okay, show it. Show it. Don't put. Show it. See now, children. If you took 1 spoon only, half of it you can use. Okay, half only. Okay, because we want that half for the next time. So here Akil took that spoon of water, salt. So now we can see that salt, isn't it? It is in solid form. We can see that salt, isn't it? Okay, Akil, now you put it in the water. That, okay, see children, what is that it happened? Amal, please see, and you can see it is disappear. You stir it, Akil, stir it. Take the spoon and stir it. Take the spoon and stir it. Okay, please catch that, hold that glass, otherwise it may fall down. Yes. Okay, so children, do it same. Okay, do it in the same way. So some more you can stir it. Is that salt is now also it is there? Don't put more than that. Take the spoon and stir on the other glass, water glass. Some more you can stir it. I think the salt is at the bottom. Is it there? No. Okay. So, yes, I hope children, you all did it, isn't it? Huh? Okay. So children, if you, before that you put the salt, you saw that, isn't it? Salt is solid form. We can see it. Once you put it in the water, can you see it now? Oh, you all did a magic. See, Ivan Thomas is showing nothing. I can't, Parthas, everybody's, I can see that clear glass. Isn't it, Catherine? Yes, yes, clear glass. Only water we can see, no salt. So I think you all learned magic and you did something to disappear that salt into water. Isn't it? Hmm? Hmm? Okay. Now you understood. Salt get disappear. Oh, Ivan Thomas. So, see, you all understood. Salt disappeared into water. Now, take a small piece of paper. Don't tear your textbook or workbook. Where this one, rough paper is enough. Waste paper. Small piece. Waste paper will be available here. Yeah, Ayan is showing. Take one small piece of it. Ayan bin, take a small piece. Yeah, enough. Yes. Let me pin Ayan. Yes, Ayan. So likewise, small piece is enough. Okay. Yeah. Put it in the glass of water. What you did after putting salt in the water? In the same way you do it. Show it. Please lift that. Please lift it. Yeah. Yeah. Stir it. Yes. Ayan, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
When you put the salt, it disappears, isn't it?
Yes.
And when you put the paper, after stirring for a long time, did it disappear?
No, ma'am.
It is still there. I think the same thing happened in the for all the students, isn't it? Isn't it? Yeah. See, a paper is not disappearing. Here, your magic is not working. Here, your magic is not working. Isn't it? Paper is not disappearing. It is still there. Understood? Huh? So here I can say that. Okay, keep it separate. Keep it on one side of your table. Listen here. Listen here. So children, here you did an experiment, isn't it? First you put some salt, it get disappeared into the water. And after that you put a piece of paper that it doesn't disappear. Okay. So what did you understand from this experiment? Those who know that, you can raise your hand. Okay, let me give chance to Catherine first. Okay. Yes, Catherine.
When we add the salt, it disappears because the salt is another thing, and paper doesn't disappear because it's another thing.
Mute your audio. So, Christo Roy.
Ma'am, the salt disappears because it is uncountable. It is very, very small. And the paper didn't disappear because it is not very, very small. It is big.
Mute your audio. Any other student? Lionel. Yes, Lionel.
Yes, ma'am. The salt is solid and the paper is
Solid. Paper is also solid. Mute your audio. Yeah. Okay. Niranjana.
because salt Salt is like a powder, but a paper is a piece.
Mute your Meka. Last chance. After that, I will tell.
Ma'am.
Christo, mute your audio. Meka.
Ma'am, I'm just thinking. I think so. The salt is a form of liquid, and paper is hard enough.
Mute, mute. Ashwin.
Ma'am, salt is like a powder. That's why it put in the water that come. Water will become salty. Then the paper is floating.
Okay. Okay. So children, listen. From this, okay, let me give chance to Farhan. Okay, Farhan. Let me see. Farhan.
Yes, ma'am. After adding water, salt dissolve.
Salt. Tell me.
Dissolve.
Salt is a thing that dissolve in water. It's a specialty. It's ability. Very good, Farhan. Very good. Okay. So children, listen here. Salt is a substance that dissolve in water. Okay. That is why it is disappearing into the water. But paper does not have that ability to dissolve in water. Paper does not have the ability to dissolve in water. So many answers I got, they all related to the powder form, solid form, like that. Okay, but actually the correct point, the concept is that salt dissolves in salt-like substance, salt-like things dissolves in water. But paper-like things does not dissolve in water. Okay. So if I tell you to put the sugar in the same water, okay, take some 1/4 of the spoon, very few, so sugar. Okay, only half spoon, less than half spoon of sugar, less than half spoon of sugar. Put it in the water. Put it in the water. Less than half is enough. Okay, put it in the water. Yes, stir it. After putting it, stir it. What will happen? Yes, remove the paper. Okay, if you haven't removed it, you can remove the paper from it and put the sugar and stir it well. Is it disappearing? Is it disappearing? No. Okay, stir it. It will not disappear as fast as salt. Okay, it may take some time. Okay. So that is why, is it disappearing, Ashwin? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, let me unmute. Unmute, Ashwin.
Ma'am,
yeah, the sugar which you put it.
More time that will disappear.
Okay, is it disappeared now?
No, ma'am.
Now also it is there.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Who's it get disappeared? Raise your hand. Parthas. Partha, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is that sugar which you put it in the glass? Is it disappeared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So from that, what you understood? Yes. Rizwan, Wazim is also showing it disappeared. Yes. Okay. Good. Good. Keep it down. So it will not. Sometimes it may take some time for dissolving. Not like the salt. Salt will disappear or dissolve fastly, but sugar may take some more time. Okay. So some are tasting it. So here you put the salt, then the sugar, isn't it? So when you put the sugar in that also disappearing. That means the sugar also is a substance that dissolve in thing that dissolve in water. Am I correct? Am I correct? Like salt, sugar also dissolve in water. And say if we keep some eraser or what it is, some wooden piece or an rubber eraser or this one sharpener in that water, will it dissolve? Will it dissolve? Rayan Raju, unmute. Rayan Raju, unmute and tell me.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, very good. Okay, so from these experiments, we can stop doing, keep it on one side. Stop doing, keep it on one side of your table. Listen. Okay. Niranjana, what you want, Niranjana?
And when I make lemon juice, I had seen this.
Okay, yes, that is what I told in the beginning, isn't it? Okay, mute it. Very good, mute it. So children, when we do this experiment, we understand, we can understand that there are objects or things which dissolve in water, which does not dissolve in water. So here I told to put the sugar in water. Wasim, if I am telling you, unmute Wasim. If I am telling you to put the sugar in milk, will it dissolve?
Will
it
take
dissolve?
time.
Sorry?
It will be take time.
Okay, it may take time. Will it dissolve or no?
We can't see.
You can't see. Say, wait. So when your mother gives you milk, if sweetness is there, will you drink that one?
Yes.
Without sweetness, will you drink lemon juice?
No.
No. Without sweetness, will you drink milk?
No.
No. So if you are complaining that, oh, see, it is not sweet, put some sugar in it, isn't it? So your mother will put some sugar. As it dissolves, that is why after that you will get some sweetness from the milk, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. So Niranjana, unmute.
Ma'am, can I use?
Yes. Niranjana, unmute. Yes. Do it. Niranjana. Unmute. Yes, you will be able to do it. Yes. So Niranjana, so instead of putting in water, if you put sugar in milk, will it dissolve?
Yes, it will take time.
Yeah, it may take time, but it may dissolve. No, in the same way, when you prepare some juices, you may add sugar in it. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So that is also a liquid form. Juices, orange juice, pineapple juice, mango juice, lemon juice. These all are in liquid form. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yes. So when we use this liquid form, okay, maybe sometimes it is pure water, sometimes it is milk, sometimes it is some type of juices, some fruit juices. If we put the sugar in this or liquid form, it may dissolve. Am I correct? It may dissolve. Understood? So then we learned today there are some substances that will dissolve in liquid, that does not dissolve in liquid. Am I correct? Am I correct? So salt, sugar, and some more substances are there that will dissolve. And like stone, paper, eraser, means plastic things, wooden things, isn't it? These all things will not dissolve in water. Is it clear? Clear? Okay. So here, whenever I am saying things, objects, you know, spoon is an object, isn't it? Take that object spoon in your hand. Okay, lemon, that is also one object, isn't it? The glass, it is an object. Keep it down. Keep it down. Paper, it is an object. Salt is a thing or object. Sugar is a thing, isn't it? Or object. So in science, we can use, instead of object, we can use a word that is called substance. 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 Okay, substance is singular, substances is plural. Is it clear, Christo Roy? Christo, have you heard this before it?
Yes.
Yes, substances means, mute it, substances means another word for object. Another word for things. In science, we will say substance. Okay, substance. Got it? So here we can see substances. Okay, take the rough book. Take the rough book, children. Everyone take the rough book. Ainal Sabah, please read the spelling of substance.
Yes, ma'am. Substances.
Okay, what is that word?
Substance.
Substances. Substances, plural. Okay, substances.
Substances.
Next one. Next one. Gurujit, please read the spelling of substances. Unmute.
Okay, ma'am. Substances.
What is that word?
Substances.
Okay, substances. Next one. So children, I request all to note down the spelling. Okay, Advait, Rajiv, read the spelling of substances.
Substances.
What is that?
Substances.
Okay, so I hope it is clear now, isn't it? So in this experiment, we saw two types of substances. Am I correct, Rayan? Am I correct? Rayan, in the experiments, we saw two types of substances. Am I correct? Am I correct? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Which are those two types of substances? Who can say? Devananda. Okay, Devananda. Tell me.
Ma'am, salt and sugar.
Salt and sugar. Any other answer? Any other answer? Farhan.
Dissolve and water.
No.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Okay. See, we learned about substance. Substance means substance, another name for object or things. In these experiments, we understood there are two groups of substances. Two groups of substances. Sahara, which are these two groups? Sahara.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me which are these two groups? Don't know. George?
I'm solvent and solute.
Oh, no. That is, we are going to learn only. Yes, Mekha.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a bit network issue, so I
Okay, wait, mute your audio. I will tell you. See, children, there are two types of substances. One that dissolve in liquid. And the another one that does not dissolve. Understood? There are two types of substances, two types of objects or things. One, it is dissolved in liquid. The other type that does not dissolve in liquid. Is it clear? One group that dissolve in liquid like water, milk. Another type that does not dissolve in water or milk. So here I want the examples for substances that dissolve in liquid. Ameya, please give me one example for substance that dissolve in water or milk, liquids. Ameya, example.
Ma'am, sugar.
Okay, who said it? Is it Ameya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only sugar, Ameya? Only is it sugar, Ameya?
No, ma'am.
Then tell me what you did at the beginning, what I told to do.
Put the salt.
Salt. Okay. So did you see the salt after that?
No,
Did you see?
ma'am.
No. It
Disappeared.
dissolved in it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the example for substances that dissolve in water, sugar, then the salt. Okay. So some more examples I want. Some more examples I want that substances that dissolve in water. Raise your hand. Let me get examples. Raise your hand. Substances that dissolve in liquid. Yes, yes, yes. Raise your hand fast. Yes, Niranjana.
Milk powder.
Very good. Very good. Milk powder. Very good. Gurujit.
Washing powder.
Very good. Washing powder. Then Sahara.
Powder.
Powder. Somewhat. Ashwin.
Ma'am, that's will say that.
Mute your audio. Nived.
Turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder. Very good. Okay. So Rayan.
Boost.
Boost. Very good. Then Christo. Christo. Once again, unmute.
The cocoa powder.
Very good. Okay. So children, I hope you can hear me. So children, we got a lot of examples, the substances that dissolve in liquid, not the water, not only the milk, in liquids. Okay. So example, sugar, salt, washing powder. Then Boost, like health powders, Boost, Complan, Horlicks, like that, health powders, glucose, isn't it? Then one more thing I got, washing powder. Then which one? Turmeric powder. Then instant coffee powder, brew, sunrise, like that, instant coffee powders, that all dissolve, isn't it? So there are some substances that dissolve in liquid. And now I want to get substances that does not dissolve in liquid. Who can give? Does not dissolve. Ivan Thomas.
Mud.
Very good. Jibichen. Yes, Jibichen. Unmute. Okay, okay. I will give you later. Okay. Fayaz. Fayaz.
Paper.
Sorry, paper.
Paper.
Paper. Okay. Next. No, please raise your hand. Devananda.
Ma'am, stone.
Sponge. Very good. Then let me see. George.
Tissue paper.
Tissue paper. Paper. Different types of paper. Ryan.
Ma'am, stone.
Very good. Very good. Okay. So children, okay, some of I got enough. So here children, some substances that does not dissolve in water, in liquid. So for example, paper. isn't it? So then not only this paper, we got which one? We got stones, isn't it? Examples, it is pebbles, stones, then sponge. So many examples. The plastic spoon, which you kept it in the glass, isn't it? It does
Yes.
not dissolve, no? So that
Yes.
is also metals, plastics. So eraser, yes, rubber. Okay, sharpener. These
Ma'am,
all
the
things,
pen.
yeah, these all things does not dissolve in water. So children, today through these experiments, we learned there are substances that are in two group. One, it does not dissolve in liquid, and one, it dissolve in liquid. Okay, so we will continue with this topic. So you have to keep the same things, means water, salt, sugar, these all things for the next class. Be ready with it. Okay, don't keep the same liquid. You can throw it away today.
Ma'am, so the sugar and salt.
That I don't know. You can ask to your parent. Okay, liquid, that mixture that I am saying, water and
Okay.
the salt which you
Okay,
put.
I know that.
Okay. So children, may ready, make these all things ready. Okay, keep the same thing which you make it ready for today in the same way for the next. Okay, so shall I wind up today's class?
Yes, ma'am.